Good afternoon and welcome to Bristol Harbour Tour Part 1. So most people would go around the harbour the other way. They start off at the bridge, they go left and all the way round. I'm actually going to go the other way and show you around. I've got a mic on but I don't think it's working, so I need some geek to show me how to get my mic working. But anyway, so this is the start of Millennium Square. This is Las Iguanas. It's quite a nice one because they've got a nice outdoor terrace. And this is We the Curious, which used to be at Bristol. Great interactive museum for kids. We've also got a planetarium there as well. You can go in. It's the Las Iguanas Terrace. This is great for kids to splash around in. I won't video the kids too much, but it's great to bring the grandkids down. They have a Christmas market here in sort of December time. So this is Millennium Square. So we've just walked down that path in between the two apartment blocks, and this is the Broken Dock. Broken Dock, fabulous place to come on a Sunday. Really, really nice. Roast dinners, lovely place to sit. Some people come out and sit on the harbour wall. Some people will sit in there, but it's a very, very lovely position, and you won't get a seat on a Sunday. So again, there's the Great Britain that you can go on. We'll see that in more detail when we get the other side of the harbour. Beautiful apartments here. Carry on down. If you can hear me whistling under my breath, which is a really bad habit that I'm going to have to try and get out of, I'm whistling I Ran, Flock of Seagulls, which is my real favourite ride song on Guardians of the Galaxy. Probably my favourite because it was the first one I ever rode it to, but I just think it goes so brilliantly, and I just constantly watch it on YouTube and can't wait to go back next September and ride it 100 times if I can. Brilliant, brilliant ride. See the ship a bit better there. That's the ferry boats that come from Templemead Station, Beeses, all sorts of places. Takes you up to a couple of stops along the harbour. Like I say, I think this walk would take you probably, I'm walking quite slow, wouldn't it? Probably take you about an hour and a quarter, hour and a half to walk all the way around. That's if you don't stop off for copious amounts of wine and coffee and cake. There's not so much this side. Once you get out of the main Millennium Square area, there's not so much to stop here, but the other side, there's lots and lots of places which we'll get to probably on part 2. You've been absolutely brilliant getting me up to over 50 subscribers now, which means that I can do a live stream at some stage, and I will. But I still need you to like, if you like the vlogs, and also comment, because that's going to really set the YouTube algorithm into noticing me, which I would really appreciate. So if you have got one of my vlogs on, even if you don't watch it right to the end, if you could just put a like, a little comment, it would be really appreciated. Ta very much. I hope you're having a really fun summer. I'm away a couple of weekends this month, so I'm hoping to be able to do some vlogging. All depends, doesn't it, who you're with, whether they want you to vlog. Then if you don't, you've got to edit it out. But much more fun things planned towards the end of the year. Like I said, mini cruise, trips to Tenerife, and next year Efteling and Disney at least. But it's in between, isn't it? You've got to try and find interesting things to vlog. But we'll get there, we'll get there. Now have a look at this. This is really good. So this is the grain barge. Grain barge is a great little thing. Very atmospheric inside. Lovely in the winter with all the tables with candles and stuff. Nice food. Nothing like really special, but nice food. Nice atmosphere to have a drink. It'll be rammed at the weekend if it's like this. They have live music there as well. But very atmospheric inside. Don't know if you can see the tables. But if you're sat there in the winter with the candles on, it's really nice. This is an area of Bristol now called Hot Wells. That's what it used to be, the local Thai. Doesn't look like it's open. I hope it hasn't shut, because it used to be a really nice Thai restaurant in there, really good food, good reputation. Coming up now to some very pretty waterfront apartments over there. I'm not sure, to be honest, which one it is, but one of them will be the Tobacco Factory, which is a very good space. It's got a theatre, nice bar, buzzing, full of students, really good place to hang out. One of those buildings over there, Tobacco Factory. I'm not a historian, vlogger. I can tell you what things are, but I don't know the history behind them. If you want that, it's not me. I can just take you and show you where these things are. But this is a beautiful walk. If you ever walk around the harbour, it don't cost a penny. Plenty of places to sit if you want to bring a picnic. But on a day like this, it's glorious. This is like a little Venice, this bit here. A little canal, bridge. Imagine having that as an apartment. Gorgeous, isn't it? Look at this. Right at the heart of Bristol. Well, we're 15 minutes, 20-minute walk now from city centre. Easy spend a day doing this if you want to come to Bristol for a weekend. Easy. That's the other thing, e-scooters. Luckily I heard him coming, but you know, if I had my headphones on, didn't hear him. Well, I suppose if he had my headphones on, I wouldn't hear a bell, so I guess I'm being stupid there. And he's beautiful. I think I might have to stop for a glass of wine when I get round the other side. We shall see. We shall see. It's certainly not a day for coffee, and I've got Coca-Cola at home, so probably will be a glass of wine. We shall see. I think I might have to stop for a glass of wine when I get round the other side. We shall see. We shall see. It's certainly not a day for coffee, and I've got Coca-Cola at home, so probably will be a glass of wine. We shall see. Only pub on the waterfront that was open Christmas Eve. It's called the Pump Room. Oh, sorry, the Pump House. Gorgeous, look. Smells good. Food smells lovely. Really lovely. So this bridge is going to denote the end of the first half of the walk, really, because we're going to go across the bridge and go back round the other side. So I hope you've enjoyed part one. I tried to make it short, makes it much more interesting.